Good afternoon from Fire Wrench Garage. Today we are looking at a 1973 Honda 350 SL. This is the next project coming up on our channel here on Facebook and on YouTube. If you haven't liked and subscribed to our channel, Fire Wrench Garage, please go over to YouTube and check it out, or on Facebook where you're at now. But here it is before we start working on it. It's going to be almost a full restoration. It's going to definitely be a run and drive, obviously, and obviously replace any parts that are rusted, damaged, not working, so on and so forth. It's a nice little machine for those of us that like the vintage enduro bikes. This one in particular has 11,900 miles. So it's definitely been used, but it's a 1973, so expected to have a few miles on it. Nice little 2-cylinder. It's a neat bike, and we're looking forward to working on it. Right now we're just starting work on a 1982 John Deere Trailfire 340. It's time to get the engine seals replaced and then just go through and check everything and make sure everything is up to spec and working the way that it should. But I thought I'd give you guys a quick video clip of this bike. I think it'll be a nice fun project for us. So make sure that you stay tuned to Facebook and of course our YouTube channel for an in-depth repair and also restoration of this bike. Thanks guys, have a great day.